Bakit nga ba ako nag-join ng Sun Life? Hi, I'm Ralph Erwin Chavez. It was way back 2017 when I'm looking for my purpose, anong trabaho na yung next ko. I met this friend na financial advisor din. I asked him, paano nga ba maging financial advisor kay Sun Life? Ang pinaka-reason ko noon bakit gusto ko mag-Sun Life, because of the money, because of the compensation. But over time, I realized it's not always like that. It's because of the clients na pinagkatiwala sa akin. Yung mga dating hindi alam yung value ng financial literacy, dating hirap mga pag-ipon. Through Sun Life, we were able to help them. With so many claims that we have experienced, the purpose is still there. That's why I chose Sun Life. And I decided to stay with Sun Life for life.